What is up, guys? It's Cole. Stepping in another video. I've just been quiet for you guys, so I didn't really know I started the video. I actually do not know what I'm gonna do in this episode. I might buy a grinding sword or something. Cause I am trying to get it like onto the screen so you guys can see it like on the screen. We're trying to get a grinder up and running like at home because we've got like no grinder up and working. Oh, it's awful. Everyone wants a grinder up and the owner won't let us because the basement isn't finished. Whoa, that's loud. Put down. Yeah, Pax is grinding the cage right now. It's literally grinding the cage right now. So yeah, it should be in. So yeah, guys, it's literally like grinding right now. Let's go for it. It's grinding right now. I don't know what he's grinding for, but yeah, he said sure. 7 feet. This dude, no skill, just cola. Oh yeah, guys, I did some PvP this. I did do some PvP this morning. Right, guys, right, let me just stop MSG people. I did lose my god set, guys, because I did some PvP this morning and I died and ripped. I did my G-kits. So yeah, guys, I might be buying some keys. I really do not know. I haven't planned the episode. So yeah, guys, we're gonna be trying to buy some caves. Ooh, legendary chest. Oh, my V-kit. Yeah, guys, we've got another day and 15 hours until I can do my V-kit. Guys, I will promise you, I will save all my G-kits for you guys. I'll wait. I don't care. I'll just wait. Even if these, oops. Even if these ones are done and that one in, I'll still do it for you guys because, you know. Yeah. This dude said, give me your base cards, I'll pay you 100k and subscribe to your YouTube. Nah, I'm not giving away my cards because we don't get raided again. Guys, I can't tell you my cards because I am nice and all, but I can't tell you my cards. Because that won't be fair because we'll just keep getting raided. And we don't want that. Why did you is my phone claiming a lot? I wanna know. Oh, probably because we need. So we're going to be trying buying caves in this episode. Buying cave. Bonus ep8 for 20k each. Guys, we need the cave spiders, so this is what I'm putting him at. Pardon me, guys. I'm putting him at 20k, even though they're not worth that much. But yeah, apparently IGs are worth I don't know, probably 5 mil. This IGs are worth 5 mil, I think, on the Archon. So, guys, Cosmic is a lot like cheaper for IGs, like 1 mil, not like 5 mil. The Archons are a lot expensive. Guys, I fixed my mask. Oh, and guys, I don't think I recorded when I applied the commander rank. I do not know. I'll check back in episode. I think it was 7. I think it's episode 8. Guys, I do not know. Don't worry, I'll check. I'm trying to grind for it. And then mushroom. Guys, I do not know if I buy mushroom or not. Food. Wait, what? Oh. Guys, are you insane? A Rage 5 sword has Inquisitive 4 on. Wait, what answer? It has Inquisitive 4 on, Rage 5, Obliterate 5, Skill Swipe 4, Unbreaking 3, Fire, Spec 2, and Sharpness 5 for 3.25 mil. Rip off. No one will buy that. Oops. Oh wow, a $1 note in H2. Guys, someone put a $100,000 note in H for $1. I was so freaky. I clicked it, but someone else got it before me. It was so rip. Oh, it's so cool, so cool. Guys, I might, when we get more keys, I might be doing a book opening, to be honest. Guys, I actually do not know what this episode is about. Or at best, be doing stuff quick. This video is the maximum up to 15 minutes. 400. Wow, a $1 note in H for 400k. Nope, not a rip. Nice. Guys, he just changed their name to Trust OG. What? New talent. What is up with math today? Actually, guys, I do want to know what is up with math. What the heck? Hey man. Ooh. Guys, I might just try and buy this Cosmicpvp. If he Payman, my on trade. 4cc Ghost. Guys, we might be trading. We might be getting a CC. Guys, if we get CC, that'll be insane. I'll save that for next episode if you do. Infinite, slots be 9, 8. Oh, I've got some games. PB7. Let's do better call. Oh, this is just rip. PB5. PV4. Yep. PV4. Nothing really good enough. No. Leave those stack of arrows up there. 2. Oh my gosh, guys. No. Oops, sorry guys. Oh, the video's at 11 minutes. Gosh dang it, why does it keep falling? My camera. Oh, I literally. Oh, crap, guys. Rip, he isn't coming. Guys, I do know he's not coming, to be honest. Oh, that's so rip, guys. Why do you have to be such a troll? Pour that over there. Infinity. Never mind, just put hopes in there. And PV6. PV2. Guys, PV2 is like my dust PV. I'm gonna put all my don't worry guys, I'm just gonna sort it all out quick on camera before the video ends. So simple. Unique. Quick guys, quick. Unique. Then elite. Guys, we got a lot of elite, to be honest. I've never had so much elite in my life. We've got like the most elite. That's the most we've got. Ultimate, then ultimate. So guys, yeah, oops. I might end the episode here. Trading a lot of items. Guys, I do not know if I should buy a legendary chest to end the vid. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 9 more piece in there for 6 months item name tag. What? Guys, I need to think. Quickly. PV9. Oh, that's my PV. Hold on, guys. I've got my set. Guys, I need to end the video in a minute. Like, exact minute. Here it is. I'm gonna end the video there, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you know. You like on the video, you can get this video to 3 likes. That'd be greatly appreciated. Guys, I will do the cinnamon challenge. I won't bet on it, but I